Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face and you've never seen it before, that would technically mean the first time, duh. My name is Brooke and I post beauty and lifestyle related content weekly, and I would love for you to join this family we have built here on YouTube. If you want to, feel free to click that subscribe button, you know where to find it. For today's video, I was just feeling super colorful, super cut creasy, and very pink lemonade. Honestly, I sat down to film a look and this color scheme kind of came to mind. I just thought of something springy, summery, fun, and colorful, and this is what I created for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video, and without further ado, if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go in and do is my face because self-explanatory. So I'm going to go in and spray my face with my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Photo Finish Primer Water. This is with their collaboration with Nicole Concilio, and this stuff smells so good. After that sets, I'm going to go in with my Tarte foundation. This is the Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I'm going to mix in a bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. This one is in the shade Perla, and I'm going to make a little cocktail with that and then put that all over my face, blending it out with my Morphe M439 brush. Now I will be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand, and I'm going to go in and highlight my face with this. You guys know the drill, you know where to put this. I'm also concealing my lid as well, just to act as my primer today. And I will be putting this around the perimeters of my face sort of as a cream contour or a cream bronzer. Now I will be applying my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I have been loving this product lately just because it adds so much face to the life. Whoa, dyslexia. Just because it adds so much life to your face, and it just really makes your face look very warm and bronzed. I'm going to be going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow and just applying that to the high points of my face. Now I'm going to go in and set my face with my BareMinerals BarePro powder, and I will be going over my under eye area with my RCMA No Color powder. That was not chill. Today I will be bronzing my face with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. I'm going to skip blush today, and instead I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. And I'm going to go in with a bit of tape and line this up on my outer corner to help with the wing liner today, and just to give the look an overall super defined, crisp wing. And the first palette I'm going to be using is my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. So I'm going to be going in with the shade Orange Soda and Burnt Orange mixed together. I'm going to pop that into my crease as my transition shade. I just want to lay a nice base down for those pink and yellow tones that I'm going to be putting on later. So orange is that perfect in between of the pink and the yellow shades. Now I'm going into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade C's. And I'm going to start to build that into my crease area. So I'm just going to go in with a Morphe R37 brush and go in and build up this pigmentation until it looks similar to the color in the pan. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Gossip, and I'm going to build that up into my crease until I am happy with the pigmentation. I want this shade to be pretty pink, so I am going to go in a couple times and build it up until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then just also bring that down onto the outer corner out here. I drank coffee today, like a lot of caffeine, more than I normally do, and my hands are so shaky right now that doing this wing liner later is literally going to be the challenge of the week for me. So now what I'm going to do with a clean blending brush, this is my Morphe M518 brush, I'm just going to go in and blend out along the brow bone area to help blend out the line that I created right in between the transition shade and the brow bone. Taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Venetian Red. I'm going to be focusing that color tightest in the crease to start to build up that cut crease. This will be the darkest shade I'm using today because I want today's look to be relatively light. Now I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and cut out the first half of my lid to create my cut crease. I'm not going to blend this all the way onto the outer corner because I want to keep that half cut crease shape. However, I always find that it's inevitable that it's going to get out there, so if you get concealer on your outer corner and you're doing a half cut crease, don't let that bother you because you can go in and fix it up super easy. Alright, so now I'm going to dip back into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Calavera, I believe is how you say it, that yellow shade right there, and I'm going to be packing that onto the part where I put that concealer to build that like pink lemonade kind of vibe. So now what I'm going to do is dip into the shade Jones and just put that in between this yellow and this pink shade on my lid to help everything blend back into that pink color. So lastly, I'm going to be taking the shade Goldmine, which is this shimmery golden shade right below the Calavera shade, and I'm going to be using my finger to tap that over the Calavera shade that we have down. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do my wing liner. So I will be using my Morphe black liner in the shade Slate today. This is a gel liner, and I really love this stuff. It is so easy to work with. So the first brow product I will be using is the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate. And then I'm just going to go over and set my brows with my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 3. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and put on some lashes. Today I will be using the Sonia Kashuk lashes in the style 610. Beforehand, I'm just going to put on a quick coat of my Bad Gal Bang by Benefit just to help blend my natural lashes with my false lashes. I've already forgotten to do this before, and you can kind of just see the lashes because you get like eyeshadow and stuff like that on them and face powders. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in and line my bottom waterline with my IT Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner. And then I'm just going to mimic what I have on my lid on my lower lash line. So I'm going to have the yellow shadow in the beginning of my lower lash line and then the pink shadow on the very outer edge. And then I'm going to blend those two together. So now I'm going to put a light coat of mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to go in with my Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny, and I am going to line my lips with this, and then I will be applying a coat of the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Shook. Last but not least, I'm going to spray my face with some De-Slick Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm not forcing you to, however, it would mean a lot to me. And feel free to leave comments on videos you guys want to see me film next time. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.